Alright, start recording. Hi there, this is John Barton from JB Cases. This is our weekly showcase for the week of June 15th, 2022. Let's jump right into it. I have a leather hybrid here. This one is shark skin, not real shark skin. It's like a shark skin print. Look how pretty this leather is. 2x5, 3x4, and we got one big long pocket here with two flaps on there. So it's got a magnetic flap. Opens all the way up so you can see like that. Pretty cool. And then a smaller magnetic pocket right there. And then on this side right here we have a book style pocket. Opens all the way up. Very cool. And a flip top lid with magnetic latch. So you can see how that works. Flips over. And then on the inside right here we have a extra compartment there for stuff. So, and that secures with a lid so you can put some little stuff in there and just magnet right there. So there you go. When you need to get in your stuff, just reach up, grab your stuff, put it in, and there you go. And this is a 2x5/3x4. Very good. Alrighty, so we got that. Now this one here is black, red, and yellow, or black, yellow, and red. And I'm not sure what that team is, but there you go. Pretty cool. This is also a 2x5/3x4 with, you'll notice here, one other cool thing on here is that the zipper pulls, we got yellow here, red here, yellow here. See that? So, you know, take the time and be creative, and you can even customize all the way down to the zipper pulls. Alright, this one here is 3x6, black and lime green. It says Fat Boy on there, right there. 3 butts, 6 shafts. There you go, looks cool. Alright, moving on here. I have another really cool leather one. This one is this is a hybrid with like an elephant print on here. That's the texture. Look at the texture of this leather. Isn't that cool? This is a 3x6. Very nice. And this one is, let's see what color we have. We have a gray 3x6 interior. There you go. Alrighty, then I have here gray, light blue, and turquoise. Got JB Cases on the back right there. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. And there you go. 3x6 shafts. And I have a black and gold hybrid with white stitching, tall pockets. There you go. This is a 3-butt and 4 shaft case with a tan interior. Alright, then here, you guys can start packing if you want.
Okay.
On the other side.
Alright.
This is a 2x3, all green, with 1 pocket. No top handle. 2 butts, 3 shafts. Very cool. You're not going to lose this one. Alright, then I have here, so all these on this side over here, I've done this one.
Okay.
Don't know what you're waiting on there, but I got these 4 to go. So.
Are these on the back? They are.
Oh, they're done, yeah. So this one here is black and silver. Raiders fan, JB. Very good initials, I like that. I might be a little biased. And this one has a black interior for 3 butts and 4 shafts. Trying to show you guys that. Black is hard to show. Alright. This one here is purple. Basically purple 2x3, purple nurple. I think it says Conway on it. I can't read the Gothic letter, so sorry. It's all Shakespeare to me. 2 butts, 3 shafts. Alrighty, then I have here a black or navy blue and ox blood right there with backpack straps and a flip top lid, navy blue interior, 3 butts, 4 shafts with a magnetic pocket on top for holding small stuff. There you go. All right, and I think that's it. Okay, one more. This is for a local cue maker here. This is Chris Harder. This is a leather hybrid with inlaid embroidery. So check out the embroidery here. Look really closely. See how that's bordered with embroidery and then it's inlaid? I mean, that's really precision work right there. Harder Customs. There you go.
I love it.
Isn't that pretty? Came out nice, didn't it?
Turned out better than I thought.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah.
That's what happens when you design something and your wife goes, "How the hell am I supposed to do that?" And I was like, "You'll figure it out, baby." And she comes up with something better than I thought.
This border came up so nice.
It came out perfect, didn't it?
Right.
Yeah. See, folks, that's what custom is all about. You know, it's figuring stuff out. It's taking what the customer wants and really trying our best to make that happen. You know, I mean, we can't do the impossible, but a lot of things that people thought might not be possible, we can make it happen. So, you know, you just have to ask. Anyway, there you go. You guys enjoy yourselves, and just remember, jbcases.com. If you don't want to build it yourself, give us a call and let us do it for you, and you'll have an amazing amount of choice, really broad choices. I think that our value is better than anyone else out there, and of course, I'm biased, but I also think that our protection is better than anyone else out there. So I think we're the whole package, and now you can see what we can do. So just get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to build you a case. Thank you. Bye-bye.